Hello, my name is Gavin, and this is a brief sync tutorial on how to fix Adobe Illustrator's export to SVG. So what we're trying to fix is this effect where this SVG has this white border here, and then this SVG is almost perfect. This is a very simple fix, and I'll show you real quickly on how to achieve this. First you want to do is Art Export. And typically before you would export it to an SVG, click on this panel here, click on this cog right here, and it will give you your format settings. Click on SVG, and the issue is this decimal point. 5 appears to be the maximum you can do. Hit Save Settings, Export, Replace, and it should work just fine. Okay, for example, I'm using Adobe XD, and this is the export. If you like this episode of Brief Sync, please like, subscribe, and comment. Share with me ideas you have for future content. I'm always trying to expand my video categories from not just programming, but also into art, Illustrator, Blender, etc. And really hope to get into assisting people with more content in the future.